So, what's up? Official Angry Bird. Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Yes, on. Hell. Go to hell, bitch. Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Oh, I wanted you to pet him. Aw. Douche cunt. Would you like to pet my Angry Bird? He's the same color as your shirt. Come on, man. Hey, bro. What's up, man? Would you like to pet my Angry Bird?
Sure.
Yeah. Oh God, where are we going?
I don't know, where are we going? Where's Paige? That's what I'm thinking.
You just straight into the makeup. I almost went head first into the makeup, son. Sunglasses for Major. I think he looks like a badass. He's an official badass.
Where are we going? I would rather wear Walmart shoes
Oh God. Paisha! Where art thou? Ew. Here it comes. Excuse me.
Here, it's easy with you.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Rangers, we so fly, break y'all necks every time we walk by. No chill, we got bars. Everybody know that my crew go hard. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go hard.
That might help us out.
First off, it's the Rangers, baby. You wanna pet my Angry Bird?
What, pardon?
You wanna pet my Angry Bird? Pet him. Pet him one time. Oh, thank you. That guy was a true champ. You're gonna be on YouTube.
What's that?
You should be psyched. Hey. When we're out of bitches.
This is gonna be
Oh
named.
God.
Almost got dropped.
Would you like to pet my Angry Bird?
Would I like winning?
Pet him.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
That's his crew.
Ma'am, would you like to pet my Angry Bird? Come on. She turned you down, bro. Fluffy, what's going on?
Yes, they are.
Ah! Ah! Oh, that was so scary. Paisha, I got a pet Fluffy. Paisha, look. I got it. I got a new pet.
I scared the kid. I want a water gun.
You want a pet Fluffy?
Oh yes. You want a water gun?
Bro. I want
We're getting water
Fluffy.
guns.
I want Fluffy.
You can't.
I'm stealing this motherfucker. Rangers, we so fly, break y'all necks every time we walk
I
by.
scared that kid. I was like,
Ah!
where are they at?
Water guns, water guns. Water. Oh, that hurt.